me Shuma, and today in this video I'm going to share with you this beautiful makeup look which you can wear as a wedding guest. This golden glittery sparkly eye makeup will look absolutely stunning in any wedding or party. Before starting today's tutorial, I will request my new viewers and viewers who don't subscribe yet my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the red button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload new videos. And the viewers who already subscribe my channel, thank you so much guys, thank you for your love and support. Back to my today's video. If you wanna know how I create this beautiful makeup look, then keep watching this video. All the product of this makeup look are given into the description box below. And now let's start into this video. Starting with priming my face with W7 Porefection Pore Minimizer Primer, and I'm applying it on my T-zone and also my cheek where I have pore problem. For foundation, I'm going to use Focallure Foundation and my shade is 03 Warm Ivory. I like the packaging of this Focallure Foundation. First, I'm applying it dotting all over my face, and after that, I'm going to blend it with a spoon brush. I'm not doing any color correcting today, but if you wanna know how to do a color correcting before using foundation for your under eye dark circle or any other spots, then there is another video. I will give the link of this video into my description box below, or you can click the link now showing above on this video. For highlighting my face, I'm using two concealer from LA Girl, Yellow and Porcelain. Blending this concealer with a spoon brush, and after that I will blend it with a Real Technique Damp Beauty Blender so that I can get a smooth base. For drawing my eyebrow, I am using Flormar eyebrow pencil and my shade is black. After drawing my eyebrow, I will blend it with a spoolie so that my eyebrow look natural. Now with the angle brush, I'm going to use concealer around my eyebrow to clean the edges of this eyebrow and get a dramatic eyebrow. Now I am blending this concealer with this brush, and I'm also using concealer on my eyes too, inner corner and on my eyelid, and after that I'm blending with a damp beauty blender. For eye makeup, I'm using Focallure eyeshadow palette Twilight. From this palette, I'm using the white eyeshadow all over my eyelid to set my concealer. At first, I'm applying this brown color shade named Tangerine as my transition color, and I'm applying it on my eye crease and also outer corner of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to use this reddish brown color shade named Umber, and I'm applying it on my outer corner and inner corner of my eyelid area and also on my eye crease. And I'm applying it with the help of a Zoeva pencil brush. And back to the first brush, and with this brush I'm going to blend the edges of this eyeshadow. the next eyeshadow I'm gonna use is named Tiramisu, and I'm gonna apply it the same way with the same pencil brush, and I'm applying it on my inner corner and outer corner of my eyelid and also on my eye crease too. Now I'm going to use this black shade named Chili, and I'm applying it mostly on my outer corner and little bit on my inner corner of my eyelid. I'm changing my eyeshadow brush and taking little bit thinner pencil brush so that I can work on my inner corner. Now I'm taking a clean floppy brush, and with this brush I'm blending the eyeshadow so that there is no harsh line. Now same way I'm going to do my other eye, and I'll be back. Now with LA Girl Pro Concealer I am cleaning my eyeshadow so that I can get a clean and sharp eyeshadow line. Blending it with a angle brush, and after that I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. And now I'm going to work on my lower lash line, and the first color I'm using named Tangerine, and I'm applying it only my outer and inner corner. Next, using Amber and Tiramisu shadow together, and I'm applying it same way outer corner and inner corner of my eyes. Next, Eyelashes is from Technique Natural False Eyelashes. I applied my eyelashes and now again I am using mascara. To highlighting my inner corner of my eyes, I am using Revolution Highlighter Golden Lights. The same highlighter I am gonna use today to highlighting my face. And now I am using the same highlighter on my brow area. For contouring, bronzing and blushing, today I am going to use Makeup Revolution Brush and Contour Palette Golden Sugar, and from this palette I am taking this brown color shade for contouring my face. First I am contouring my nose. Contouring nose help your nose look taller and slimmer. Blending the nose contouring with a Real Technique Damp Beauty Blender, so there is no harsh line on my nose contouring. Now I am contouring my face. First I am contouring my cheeks. Contouring your face help to look your face look slimmer. And now I am contouring my jawline. On your contour your jawline, it helps to hide your double chin, and if you have big forehead then contour your hairline, it will help to look smaller your forehead. Now I am blending my contouring with a big floppy blush and brush. Now using Damp Beauty Blender, so there is no harsh line. To get a sharp contouring on my cheeks, now I am using loose powder just below to my cheeks contouring. For bronzing, I am using this golden color from the same blush palette. Using this golden brown color shade as a blusher from the same palette, Golden Sugar. Now I'm going to use lip color. Before using lip color, I'm using foundation on my lips. And again I'm using highlighter on my cupid's bone. And for drawing my lips, I'm using Jordana brown lip liner. And the lipstick I'm using is also from Jordana 28 Natural. My makeup is done, and look how beautiful the eye makeup is looking. It's so beautiful, glittery and sparkly. I just love the eye makeup. And to set my makeup all day long, now I'm going to use a makeup setting spray. It's from Makeup Revolution. And after that I'm using eye lenses. It's from Bella. It's better to use your eye lenses before you starting your makeup, but unfortunately I forget it. So that my makeup is done, now I'm going to change my dress and do my hair and see how I look. It's my final look. I just love how this makeup come out. I hope you also like this video and makeup. If you like it, then please give a like and share this video with your friends, family and social media. And if you have any question, you can comment below, and also you can say what kind of makeup you like to see on my next video. I have a girls group. You can join on this group if you are a girl. The link is given to the description box. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.